Diabetics must eat these meats. Top 5 best meats for diabetics you should eat for lower blood sugar condition. Have you ever wondered which meats are best for managing diabetes? Living with diabetes means making smarter choices, especially when it comes to your protein intake. While it's important to enjoy a variety of foods, not all meats are created equal. Some can raise your blood sugar and impact your heart health, which is already a concern for many diabetics. That's why knowing which meats are best for you is essential. In today's video we'll explore the top 5 meats that are not only delicious but also beneficial for your blood sugar levels. These choices are lower in unhealthy fats and higher in the nutrients your body needs. Whether you are looking to add more variety to your meals or ensure you are making the healthiest choice, this guide will help you understand how to choose the right protein for your diabetic-friendly diet. So make sure tuned to discover the meats that can help you managing your diabetes and maintain a balanced healthy lifestyle. Number 1 is skinless chicken breast. Chicken is an excellent protein choice for diabetes when prepared correctly. Skinless chicken breast in particular is one of the best cuts you can include in your diet. It's low fat, making it a healthier alternative to fatter meats. This helps to avoid spikes in blood sugar level, which is crucial for managing diabetes. Unlike darker cuts of chicken, when have higher fat content, skinless chicken breast provides lean protein that is both filling and heart healthy. The benefits don't stop there. Chicken breasts is high in protein, which helps to regulate blood sugar by slowing the absorption of carbs and keeping you full longer. Protein is also essential for muscle repair and growth, making it a perfect choice if you're looking to maintain a balanced diet while managing diabetes. To make the most of this healthy option, choose grilled, baked, or roasted chicken breast instead of fried, as the latter adds unnecessary fat and carbs. Pair it with non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, or bell peppers to increase fiber intake and provide your body with essential nutrients. A simple dish could include chicken breast with a side of roasted vegetables or a salad with a light vinaigrette. By removing the skin and cooking the right way, chicken becomes a powerful, diabetes-friendly protein that can be easily incorporated into many recipes. So, next time you're preparing a meal, reach for skinless chicken breast to fill your body with lean protein while keeping your blood sugar levels in check. It's a simple, tasty, and effective way to improve your diabetes management. Number 2 is salmon. Salmon and other fatty fish like anchovies and sardines are excellent protein options for diabetes looking to manage their blood sugar. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their protective effects against type 2 diabetes. Omega-3 help reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and may even lower the rate of heart disease, a common complication of diabetes. By adding these nutrients fish to your diet, you're not just getting a source of high-quality protein but also giving your body the healthy fats it needs. What makes salmon and similar fatty fish even more beneficial is their low glycemic impact. Unlike other sources of protein that can spike your blood sugar, these fish offer a steady supply of energy without the sugar surge. This is vital for diabetes who need to keep their blood sugar levels under control throughout the day. Cooking is simple and delicious. You can grill, bake, or pan-sear it with a touch of olive oil and your favorite herbs for a satisfying meal. Pair it with non-starchy vegetables, like spinach, kale, or cauliflower, which are diabetic-friendly and low in carbs. A perfect combo would be grilled salmon on a bed of steamed broccoli or a salad with leafy greens, making for a delicious and balanced meal. By regularly incorporating fatty fish like salmon, anchovies, or sardines into your meals, you can lower inflammation, improve heart health, and support better blood sugar management. It's simple yet powerful way to boost your diabetes control while enjoying tasty heart-healthy meals. Number 3 is pork tenderloin. Pork tenderloin is an excellent meat choice for those with diabetes. This lean cut of pork is low in saturated fat, making it a much healthier option compared to fatter cuts like bacon or sausages. The low fat content helps keep blood sugar levels stable, while providing the high-quality protein that diabetes need for muscle repair and overall health. Unlike processed meats which can spike blood sugar levels, pork tenderloin is a clean, wholesome protein that you can enjoy without worry. Why is pork tenderloin such a great option? First, It's versatile and can be prepared in numerous ways that align with diabetes-friendly meals. For instance, you can easily cook it in the oven, grill it, or make a slow-cooked version for a tender, juicy result. It pairs beautifully with vegetables like spinach, cauliflower and zucchini, all of which are low-carb, fiber-rich and help further stabilizes blood sugar. You could also try Parmesan pork medallions or the easy slow-cooked pork tenderloin, both recipes that are not only delicious but also nutritious for managing diabetics. When it comes to pork, the key is choosing lean cut and avoiding processed varieties. Bacon, while tasty, is high in saturated fat and sodium, which can have negative effects on both heart health and blood sugar levels. So it's best to opt for fresh cuts like pork tenderloin for a heart-healthy, blood sugar-friendly meal. By incorporating pork tenderloin into your diet, you can enjoy a flavorful, satisfying meal that will help lower blood sugar while supporting weight management and overall health. Plus, the flexibility of this cut means you can enjoy it. Fourth number is filet mignon. Red meat can be a bit tricky when it comes to managing diabetes. Excessive consumption of red meat, especially fatter cuts, can make blood sugar levels hard to control and increase the risk of heart disease. However, that doesn't mean you need to eliminate it completely from your diet. In fact, when enjoying in moderation and prepared properly, red meat can still be a healthy protein option for diabetes. The key: choosing lean cut that are lower in fat. Filet mignon is a prime example of a great red meat choice, as it's very low in visible fat. By option for lean cuts like filet mignon, you can enjoy the rich flavors of red meat, without the added risks of unhealthy fats that may spike your blood sugar or contribute to heart disease. The protein in red meat is crucial for muscle repair, maintaining energy levels and helping with blood sugar control. When cooking red meat, it's important to prepare it a healthy way. Avoid frying it or cooking it with a lot of added fats. Instead, try to grilling, baking or boiling it to keep it lean. Pairing it with non-starchy vegetables, such as broccoli, spinach or cauliflower, can create a balanced meal that helps stabilize blood sugar levels. You could combine it with healthy fats from sources like avocado or olive oil to make it more diabetes-friendly. If you're craving red meat, a small protein of lean cuts like filet mignon or top sirloins can be satisfying and healthy choice without raising your food sugar levels. Just remember, moderation is key, and pairing it with the right foods will help you enjoy it without compromising your health. Plus, incorporating red meat occasionally into your meals means you can enjoy a variety of flavors and on track with your diabetes management. Number 5 meat is organ meat. Organ meats like liver, kidney, heart and thighs are incredibly nutritious and offer a wealth of benefits, especially for those looking to lower blood sugar. These cuts are packed with fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, A and K, which play a crucial role in supporting your immune system, promoting healthy vision and helping regulate blood sugar levels. Additionally, vitamin B12 found in organ meats is essential for energy production and nerve health. Now, you might be wondering, how can I get started with organ meats? Don't worry, it's easier than you think. A great way to introduce these meats into your diet is by mixing organ meats with ground beef. Start with a ratio of 70% beef to 30% organ meat. This blend allows you to enjoy the nutrient-dense benefits of organ meats without overwhelming your taste buds. You can toss it into burgers, meatballs or even tacos. The possibilities are endless. For beginners, dishes with bold flavors like tomato sauce-based recipes or spicy curries are perfect. The strong spices and sauces will help mask the distinct flavors of the organ meats, making them more palatable. Ready for next level? For those who want to go beyond the basics, try incorporating organ meat into more advanced dishes like Vietnamese pho, Indian curries or healthy chili. The rich complexity flavors of these dishes complement the intense taste of organ meats, making them an exciting addition. If you're feeling really adventurous, German sausages, which often include organ meats like liver and heart. Including organ meats in your diet not only offers an exceptional source of vitamins and minerals, but they can also help you control blood sugar and boost energy level. These nutrient-dense options are a smart way to diversify your meals while enhancing your diabetes management. Plus, the variety of ways you can prepare and pair organ meats with other healthy ingredients makes them a delicious and versatile choice for an adventurous eater. Incorporating the right types of meats into your diet can make a world of difference when it comes to managing blood sugar levels and living a healthier life with diabetes. Now that you know the top 5 meats for diabetes, it's time to get creative in the kitchen and start incorporating these delicious options into your meals. But before you make any changes to your diet, remember to consult your doctor to ensure these choices are right for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on living healthier with diabetes. And of course, check out the video in the description for more helpful advice and recipes. Stay healthy and take care control of your blood sugar. You've got this. Thank you.